everyone. So today's video is going to be the unboxing of BOXYCHARM Luxe. And before I get into the video, I'm going to be announcing the winners of my giveaway, and I'm going to put a screenshot of the winners right now. So I want to say congratulations to both of the winners. I already contacted them, and I want to say thank you everybody that participated, and stay tuned for more giveaways coming soon. If you didn't win this giveaway, don't lose hope. There's going to be more giveaways coming, and I know it's kind of hard to win a giveaway because it's so many comments, but you never know. You might be the next winner. So now back to the unboxing video. I'm going to show you what I got in my BOXYCHARM Luxe for the month of March. So this is the card for the month of March, and then in the back it always tells you everything that you got for this month. So the first thing that's on the very top is this Barbarella eyeshadow palette. And I thought that the packaging was so cute. This is the eyeshadow palette. And I take the cover off, and then when I open it, there's a lot of shimmer shades. There is a couple of matte shades, like these three right here, and the black one, and this white vanilla one over here. But all of the other shades are shimmery and they look very, very pretty. Next, I have this G by Henado makeup holder. So this is what it says in the front, and then when I open it, it's like a box. It's very cutely packaged, but it is like a brush holder. So it looks like this. It says face, eyes, and lips, and it's like a brush holder or pencil holder, anything you want to put in here. I think I'm gonna use it for my brushes, so I really like it. Next thing I got is this Kat Von D Lock-It Edge foundation brush. This is the brush right here. Let me open it to show you the brush. So this is the brush. Oh my god, it's really packaged. So this is the brush right here. So it's a foundation brush. I actually have been loving the MORPHE foundation brush, so I think I'm starting to get more into brushes for applying foundation. So I'm really excited to have received this because I really prefer a brush now than a beauty blender. So next thing I got is this Rose and Quartz hair mask. So this is a hair mask, and this one helps with dry damage and breakage to experience soft silk and shine. I haven't cut my hair in a while, so I do have a lot of split ends on the end. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna go ahead and go to the salon and trim it a little bit, just because I can already see all the split ends. So I know that maybe the mask is not gonna help right now since I have a lot of split ends, but it will help for future split ends. Next thing I got is this Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. It's a soft matte longwear foundation, and hopefully this shade fits me, but it's the shade 150, or it's like this. It's the shade 150, and it looks like it might fit me, so I don't know, we will see. It looks like this. Next thing I got is this Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Serum. So this one helps with let me see, serum for plump radiant skin. It includes vitamin C, so this sounds interesting. Next thing I got is this DC Dominic Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner in this color. It's the color Crush. And I actually received some of the same items that Kylie Jenner received. I saw her video. The lip liner looks like. And the color looks really, really pretty. Last thing I got is this Stars Kiss the Stars 24K Gold Lip Plumping Mask. So it's a lip plumping mask. So it does smell minty. So I do like using masks on my lips just because sometimes they get really dry. So I can't wait to try this, even though it says it plumps your lips. I don't know about that, but I will give it a try and see how I like it. So yeah, that's everything that I got in my BOXY Luxe. I am so excited for this box. I really loved this box, so I can't wait to see what I get on my next box. I really love the BOXYCHARM subscription. And once again, congrats to the winners, and I'll see you guys on my next video and my next giveaway. Bye.